Hi everyone. Hey, today we've got a very special car I've just added to my collection, and I've imported it from the US. It's a 1984 300ZX Turbo 50th Anniversary Edition. The 50th Anniversary Edition was limited to about 5,500 cars. Most of them went to the US, some to Canada. And there was a kind of emasculated version of the 50th Anniversary went to Australia but had no turbo and was a 2+2 rather than the coupe. So this is a pretty rare car, and especially now these days they're getting harder and harder to find, especially in any condition, any good condition. This one is a manual, or about 3,500 of them were manuals. The 50th Anniversary car had a whole bunch of special features. I'll just quickly go through this. I'll do a full review another time, but this is just a quick review. We'll go through the list of special features. So firstly was the two-tone paint job. They're all this colour, which is kind of a pinky champagne-y colour, with the two-tone black and the pinstriping. They came with the 3-litre VG30 turbo engine, approximately 200 horsepower, single turbo. The front and rear guards are both flared. That's 50th anniversary only feature. So you can see the flare on the front there, and then these really cool kind of over fenders on the rear wheels. "16-inch alloy wheels, which 1984 are pretty large. Fitted with 225/50 16 tyres. So the T-tops are mirrored. It's a really nice feature. Don't know if it comes out very well on the video. Very pretty. And all of the glass in the car is like a bronze tint from the factory. Just going now into the interior. So it's all black interior. First special feature to look at is the body sonic audio system. There's the control for it here. So what it's got is speakers that are mounted in underneath of the seats, and I guess the idea is that you get the bass of the sound vibrating through your body. So that was a special feature for this model. Also leather seats. The seats here are. They've got the 50th anniversary logo, but the centre section of the seats is leather, and the outside is actually vinyl. The suspension is adjustable, 3 settings there: soft, normal and firm. 50th anniversary came with all digital instrumentation, a digital dash, and very fancy climate control system. And one of these is actually an electronic compass, one of these gauges. And G-force meter as well. The outside mirrors were auto defogging. Came with a trip computer. And then you've also got the 50th anniversary badging on the outside. I'll just have a tour around the car. Otherwise a standard shape with the semi pop-up headlights, and there's actually a control here on the console to raise the headlights. You can see what they're like when they're up. I guess you can do that to clean them and replace them and what have you. Very pretty car, I think. This rear spoiler, it's not mentioned as a special feature of the 50th anniversary, but may well have been. being in 1984, this was the last year that the cars were badged Datsun. So they got both badging on their Datsun and then Nissan Turbo. From 1985 onwards, it was Nissan all the way. Mudguards also have limited edition written on them. So let's have a look under the bonnet. And there's your VG30 turbo engine. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this very brief introduction to the 50th Anniversary 300ZX Turbo, US domestic market edition, and I'll be doing a full review of this car and test drive when it's registered and on the road. Should be in a few months' time. See ya, bye.